The Fred Mini-Vac tube by DiversiTech is the perfect solution for capturing smoke and fumes from MIG, TIG, or stick welding, and is ideal for use in areas such as hospitals, repair facilities, and schools. It can also be used for safely capturing weld smoke on remote job sites. With dual 1-horsepower motors, the operator can turn on just one motor for typical light-duty work and switch on a second motor for more demanding applications. With 10 feet of flexible hose and magnetic base, the 6-inch capture nozzle is easy to position. Backed by an industry-leading 2-year warranty on parts, the Mini-Vac 2 is made from durable 16-gauge powder-coated steel for exceptionally long service and dependability. The Mini-Vac 2 by DiversiTech is lightweight, easy to use, affordable, and meets OSHA requirements for the safe capture of welding fumes. Contact us to find a dealer near you.